morning, everyone. Today I'm doing another daily vlog. I love filming the last one, so I decided that I'm gonna do another one. Since it is the morning, I do need to make my coffee right now. My coffee is done. Now I'm gonna add this is the non-dairy oat milk creamer brown sugar flavor from Trader Joe's. I'm obsessed with the brown sugar shaken espresso from Starbucks recently, and I'm trying to stop drinking a bunch of Starbucks every day, so I got this to kind of help my craving of the brown sugar drink at Starbucks. Yeah, add this in my coffee. Don't put too much. I'm also gonna add a little bit of the lactose-free milk. Stir it up. Also, I'm gonna make some breakfast. So I'm gonna make a few eggs and some hash browns because that's my favorite breakfast of all time. So I have these hash browns from Trader Joe's. They're one of my favorite hash browns. I really feel like you can't mess up a hash brown, but I don't know, Trader Joe's hash browns are my favorite. I'm gonna start cooking these hash browns first, and then I'll just throw the eggs on the pan and then we'll be done. Also try this coffee. I haven't had this creamer in a while, so we'll see. It needs more creamer. I forgot cinnamon. Forgot a key factor to my coffee. Ground cinnamon in my coffee. That was a lot. Okay, let's make breakfast now because I'm ravenous. Hash browns, what I like to do is I just get like a stick of butter and I just put it all over the pan. Also, while we're in the kitchen, I just want to show you guys one of the snacks that I've been loving. I literally got them yesterday, tried them for the first time yesterday, but I'm already obsessed. I tried 2 flavors so far. I've tried the s'mores and I've tried the like strawberry chocolate one. Drizzlicious. It's 120 calories for about 28 pieces, but that's a scam because you could literally eat the whole bag. Like, they are so addicting. You really need to have self-control with these. I'm gonna put them away now, but they're so good. Okay, I'm gonna cook these hash browns and eggs and then I'll be back. Okay, I just finished making my breakfast. It looks a little it looks a little crazy, but I'm gonna eat this and then we'll get started with our day. Literally sat on my computer and my phone for like maybe 2 hours, but I just threw on a little outfit. I'm just wearing this top and then I'm wearing matching shorts. 80 something degrees here, so it's hot and I do not like the heat. So brush my teeth and do my skincare and then we're gonna head to Target. I know I need a few things, but I can't remember right now. So we're just gonna go and we're gonna figure it out, which is never a good idea. I'm gonna try to put together a list before we go. I actually saw that Target has the new EOS body lotion and people are saying that it smells like Way St. Bart's. Like, that scent, if you know, you know, it's a great scent. It literally smells like summer, but like not too summery. I have the spray perfume, so if that lotion actually smells like that, I might have to get it. I really want to go smell that, and then I do need to get some cotton pads, and what else do I need? I'm also gonna throw in a load of laundry before I go, just so I can get that started. So then when I come home, I can just throw it in the dryer and then fold it all. Brush my teeth, did my skincare, brush my hair even though it's crazy. Put in a little laundry and now I'm gonna go to Target. So I'm back from Target and I'm gonna give you a little haul of what I got. I didn't get that much stuff. In total I spent like $30, which like $30 for like 4 things, 5 things is crazy, but whatever. First thing, the thing that I'm very excited for is the EOS Beach Waves body lotion. I was talking about this when I was in the bathroom doing my skincare. I was looking for it for probably 10 minutes. I could not find it. I don't know how I didn't see it. I found it. It does indeed smell like the way St. Bart's scent. It smells so good. This is a perfect summer scent, hence why it's called Beach Waves, but it really is a perfect summer scent. It has the new cap on it too, which we'll see if I like that. I do love the pump, but maybe this will surprise me and I'll love it. Who knows? Got some cotton pads. These are the exfoliating ones. These are like the only, well, they're cotton ovals actually. These are the only ones that I use because I put like my micellar water on it. I never know how to say that. Whatever. These are the ones that I love. And I always use the exfoliating side when I use these. Some things that I did not need whatsoever. I got more Drizzlicious. This is a strawberry chocolate flavor that I was talking about. I had to get more, unfortunately. Absolutely, definitely did not need Ruffles chips and French onion dip. I have, ever since I had it on 4th of July, I've been like obsessed with it right now. Well, I haven't had it since 4th of July, but I've been like craving it. That is everything that I got from Target. Not too crazy, but I did get things that I didn't need, so I think I am gonna stop the video here because I'm just gonna finish my laundry, fold it, do some things around the apartment, and yeah, take a shower, eat, do all that fun stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos, more daily vlogs. Maybe I'll do like a week in my life, who knows. I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.